Hi students, myself Azim sir from TMS English Medium High School and Junior College. So we have completed with the theory part of the chapter, that is solid state. Now we continue with the numerical part which is pending. So in today's topic or in today's lecture, we will solve some numerical which are based on density. So the formula which are going to use here is this one, that is a formula based on density. So as we know that mass is equal to molar mass upon Avogadro's number. So when we see the density of the unit cell, normally density has a formula mass upon volume. So here we talk about the unit cell, so mass of unit cell upon volume of unit cell, which is equal to D is equal to Z into M upon A whole cube into Na, where Z is the number of atom in a unit cell. As we discussed in the theory part, that simple cubic cell consists of one atom. So here, if the crystal is made up of simple cubic cell, then Z value will be 1. If the structure is BCC, that is body centered cubic structure, then Z value will be 2, and same for FCC, Z value will be 4, because FCC में कितने atoms होते हैं? It contain a 4 atom, so Z value will be 4. M is the molar mass, A cube is a volume of unit cell, and A is called as a H length. A cube is a volume of unit cell, and separate A is called as a H length into Na, that is Avogadro's number. By this formula we can calculate the molar mass or atomic mass of the crystal. Okay, so these two formula one and the same. This is the modified in terms of M, that is a molar mass. Okay, so a simple question first we will see here: which of the following lattice has the highest packing efficiency? Highest packing efficiency means the atom which are very close to each other, or they having a very less empty space, that is called as a void. So as we know that in simple cubic cell, one atom is present and which occupy 52.4% of space. BCC consists of a two atom and which occupies 68 percentage, and HCP consists of 74 percentage of space. Okay, we have discussed this in the theory part. Means more the number of atom and more is the space occupied. So here HCP has the highest packing efficiency. तो जो HCP होता है हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैक स्ट्रक्चर, हमने डिस्कस किया था 1 डायमेंशन, 2 डायमेंशन, 3 डायमेंशन. In case of the 2 dimension and 3 dimension, AB type and ABC type 3 dimension में, in that we have discussed the coordination number. The spheres is contact with the 12 sphere, 12 neighbors, 6 on the layer and 3 above and 3 below. We have discussed that part. Okay, same here. So it occupies the 74% of space. Means this HCP is a highly packed structure, so it has the highest packing efficiency. Next one, numerical based on density. Actually all these are solved questions. So question is that the silver crystallizes in face centered cubic lattice, and if H length of a cell is 4.07 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter and density is 10.5 gram per centimeter cube, calculate the atomic mass of silver. First we see the numerical. What is the value is given. Silver crystallizes in FCC. मीन्स आपका जो सिल्वर क्रिस्टल है वो FCC क्रिस्टल से बना हुआ है. FCC मतलब इनडायरेक्टली ये क्या सजेस्ट करता है कि ये वैल्यू आपकी Z की वैल्यू यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. एंड वी नो दैट FCC कंसिस्ट ऑफ 4 एटम, so Z value will be 4. If the H length of unit cell is 4.07 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter, means H length, which is nothing but a A. So A value is given 4.077 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Then density is 10.5 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, so here D is given, and calculate the atomic mass of silver, means here M we have to find out. So last formula, the formula we have seen here, we have to find out the M, means density is given, Na we know that is 2.3, that is the Avogadro's value, that is 6.022 into 10 to the 23 per mole. Z value we know, that is a 4 is given. Now here H length is given, A is given, not A cube. So what we have to do, we have to convert the value of A into A whole cube. Okay, we get some value after calculating it. So here we use the formula D is equal to Z into M upon Na whole cube Na, but we have to find out the M, that is a molar mass or atomic mass of silver. So we have arranged the formula, this formula one is same in the form of M, we get this. Okay, now we have substituted the value. D is given 10.5 gram per centimeter cube into Na, which is given 6.022 into 10 to 23, and A cube means this value is given. Okay, we have convert into the A cube upon Z value will be 4. After calculating this, we get the answer, which is 107.13 gram per mole. Okay, so this is a very simple numerical. Please remember the students, the main important thing while solving the numerical, we go step by step. हम step by step जाएंगे. सबसे पहले what is the given value is given in the numerical, वो आपको लिखना है. फिर क्या पूछा है, what has to find out, तो वो लिखना है. फिर आपको क्या करना है, फॉर्मूला लिखना है, जो करेक्ट फार्मूला के बाद करेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन करना है, एंड आफ्टर करेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन जो हम फाइनल आंसर लिख लेंगे, व्हाट द फाइनल आंसर गेटिंग यू, तो उसका करेक्ट मैग्नीट्यूड एंड करेक्ट यूनिट, जब जाके आपको क्या मिलता है, 3 मार्क्स मिलेंगे. न्यूमेरिकल बेसिकली आस्क फॉर द 3 मार्क्स. ओके, so this is a 3 marks numerical. So please remember, on given data you will get the marks, on correct formula you get the marks. Okay, and correct substitution पे marks होता है. फिर correct answer and correct unit, फाइनल यूनिट जो आंसर की होगी उस पर आपको कंप्लीट 1 मार्क्स मिलता है. सो प्लीज डोंट, न्यूमेरिकल को छोड़ने का नहीं कभी भी. न्यूमेरिकल यू डू ऑलवेज न्यूमेरिकल. ओके, next numerical, a cubic solid is made of, this is a some application types of question. Okay, comes for the 1 marks or 2 marks. So a cubic solid is made up of 2 elements, P and Q. Atom of Q are at the corner of the cube and P at the body center. Which of the following, what is the formula of the compound, and what are the coordination number of P and Q? So once again we will see the numerical question. A cubic solid is made up of 2 elements. Suppose ये आपका स्ट्रक्चर है, बॉडी सेंटर्ड क्यूबिक स्ट्रक्चर, ये 2 एलिमेंट से बना, एक P है और एक Q है. अब क्या बोला, एटम Q आर एट द कॉर्नर ऑफ द क्यूब. मान लेते ये एटम कौन सा है, Q है, कॉर्नर वाले Q एटम्स है, एंड P एट द सेंटर ऑफ द यूनिट सेल. P कहाँ पे था, सेंटर, ये सेंटर एटम. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द कंपाउंड एंड व्हाट आर द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर. सो वी नो दैट कि जो एटम कॉर्नर पे प्रेजेंट होते वो कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन करते, 1/8, एंड वी नो दैट कि यूनिट सेल में 8 कॉर्नर्स होते हैं और हर कॉर्नर का 1/8 पार्टिसिपेट करता है, तो इक्वल टू क्या होता है, 1 एटम. तो आई कैन से दैट कि जो कॉर्नर एटम्स हैं, कॉर्नर एटम्स कौन से, क्यू एटम, मतलब कंट्रीब्यूट कितना करेगा, 1. एंड वी नो दैट द एटम विच इज प्रेजेंट एट द सेंटर, एटम P कहाँ पे, ये एटम P सेंटर में, तो एक सिंगल एटम है तो मतलब p एटम कितना होगा 1। तो फॉर्मूला क्या होगा, कॉर्नर का मिला के एक, सेंटर का मिला के एक, तो 1p and 1q, तो फॉर्मूला विल बी pq। okay, now if we talk about the coordination number, here if I see here this center atom, ये जो सेंटर एटम है ये ऊपर के 4 एटम से ज्वाइन होगा, नीचे के 4 एटम से ज्वाइन होगा, means this atom is touching 4 above atom and 4 below atom. So I can say that this p atom has coordination number 8. Okay, same here, this corner atom, as we know that this corner atom contribute 1/8 part, तो ये कॉर्नर एटम का जो 1/8 पार्ट यूनिट सेल के अंदर है, बाकी बाहर है, मतलब इस कॉर्नर एटम का 7-8 पार्ट आपके दूसरे 7 यूनिट सेल से क्या होगा, अटैच होगा। ओके, अब दूसरे 7 यूनिट सेल से अटैच होगा तो इसका मतलब ये भी एटम जो होगा ऊपर के 4 और नीचे के 4 एटम से क्या होगा, अटैच होगा। तो इसका भी कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर कितना होगा, 8। तो थस द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ बोथ द एलिमेंट इज 8। ओके, thank you. Only we will discuss with this numerical part. In the next lecture we will discuss some more numerical part which are based on void.